Hello, in front of me I have Samsung S25, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change screen lock method. Okay, so we need to open up our settings, and when we are here we need to scroll down a little bit until we find the security and privacy. And now click on the lock screen. If you have your current password, simply type it, and in here if you want to change the screen lock method, we have the pin, password, pattern, swipe or none, and in here we can simply change. So for example, let's change from the pattern to pin. Type your new pin, click on continue, click on change, type once more, click on use it anyway. Now type again, click on OK, and that's all. Our password has been changed. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.